There's a guide on how you can change your video quality on Facebook. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is open Facebook. After that, click on the three bars in the top right section of your screen, which will open this menu. You have to scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy tab. After that, click on Settings, which is the first option. On this page, you have to scroll down and find the option that says Media. As you can see, click on Media. Now on this page, you get two options under the video quality settings. The first one is Optimized and the second one is Data Saver. Now, if you have selected the Data Saver, Facebook will lower down the quality of the videos in order to save your data, okay? But if you want higher quality videos on Facebook, you have to click on Optimized, okay? I'm going to do that. After clicking on Optimized, Facebook will play the videos based on your internet connection. If you have a strong internet connection, it will play the videos on the highest settings possible, okay? Regardless of how much data gets consumed, okay? Keep that in mind. If you want to save data, keep it on Data Saver. But if you want the highest quality possible, you have to click on Optimize. And that's it. That's how you increase the video quality on Facebook.